Hey everybody, Tim Thomas from Finders Keepers Sport Fishing and Fillet Away Fish Mats here. Today we've got some white perch that we're going to fillet up on the mats. And one thing when you're dealing with smaller fish is you have to apply a little bit of pressure on the mat to get them to stick. It's not going to stick like there's suction cups. Normally with larger fish like trout, salmon, things of that nature, the weight of the fish will hold it on there for you. With smaller fish like panfish, crappie, in this case perch, you need to apply a little bit of downward pressure on the mat to make it stick. But you still get a perfect fillet every time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down a little bit first on the head, and then as I go down I'm going to follow it down and push that fillet down, and so it's not going to move at all. You can see with my knife, as I'm going down along the backbone, I'm pushing down, and so it's not moving side to side for me. I'm going to take the fillet off the skin this way. And again, perfect fillet every time. Going to go on the other side. And now what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to follow the blade behind the fish, holding it down. And again, it's going to keep that fillet, or the fish, from moving on me so I can get the fillet there. Again, another perfect fillet. There we go. So that's really all there is to it. When you're using smaller fish, you just have to apply a little bit of downward pressure, and that'll keep the fish from moving around with you on the Fillet Away Fish Mats.